Hello friends, my name is Ajay Kot. Today topic is Java version history. GDK Alpha and Beta 1995. The Java Alpha and Beta has the first relation, but they are the heavily unstable. IPS and IPS, the supplied Java web browser has the named as the web runner. GDK 1.0 January 23, 1996. It has the first stable released version of Java. Code name has the Oak. The first stable version of the GDK has the GDK 1.0.2 and has the called as the Java 1. Up to GDK 1.0.1, private and the protected keyword could be used together of the carry to the get the another form of the protection which is used to the act as the protection which is used to the act as the reaction of the method or the variable, namely of the subclasses of the given class. In JDK 1.02, this is the capacity has been removed. JDK 1.1 February 1997. Some addition were is in schedule to the version, that is the Java concept of the inner classes JDBS, RMI, AWT, relationship, JIT, just in time, compiler of the Microsoft Windows platform product by the JavaSoft by the Semastic, initializations and in-code support organization for the Tangled. J2SE 1.2 December 8, 1998. It is the code name as the playground. First time it is called as the J2SE Java second platform standard edition. It is the replaced the JDK to the Reconic, the base of platform for the J2EE Java 2 platform interface edition and J2ME Java 2 platform micro edition. It has the very important Java relation as the triple the size of the Java platform of the 1520 classes on 59 package. J2SE 1.4 February 6, 2002. It is a code name of the Marial. It has the first Java platform which has the released under the Java complexity process. Some addition were the in schedule to the this version, that is compressed lubricants, pair regular expression in schedule, provide the expression changing along the expansion to the original lower level, IPv6 support, logging API, imaging is the output API for the reading and the writing image format like the JPES and PNG, XML pairs and XLLT process integrated. Support and security updates of the Java 1.4 ended in October 2008. J2SE 5.0 September 30, 2004. It is a code name has the Tiger. It has the original numbered 1.5 which is the still used as the internal variation number, so it is has changed to the 1.5.0 to the better reflect the level of the methodology stability and the security of the J2SE. This process is also released under the Java complexity process. Support and the security updates for the Java 5.0 ended on November 3, 2009, but updates the were the available to the paid of the customer until May 2015. J2 5.0 added the more significant of the language features. There were also some improvement in the standard the library automatically generation of the RMI object saving. It is provide the shaking look of the field. Java SE6 December 11, 2000 6. Its code name has the Mustang. After the relation is the version Java has the released the name J2SE to the Java SE and dropped the 0 from the variation number. Some addition were in schedule to this version, that is the dropped the support for the order the Win 9x version, sparking language support, important web series, important JDBC 4.0 support, use of the Java compiler API to the Java compiler programmatically. After the relation of the Java 6, some released may be update the fix bugs. Java SE 7 July 28 2011. Its a code name has the Doplin. It has been launched on 7 July 2001, but has the made the available for the developer on the July 2008 2011. Some addition were in schedule to their version, that is JVM support of the dynamic language, compressed 64-bit pointer, string added in switch, automatically resources management in trash statement, undersource the along the numerical letters, binary internal letters, provide the Java development. Second one is the Java SE 8 March 18 to 2014. It is a codename has the spender. Codenames have been disconnected, but has the codename spender is the common along Java developer. It is the in schedule name of the features of the where the produced of the Java SE 7, but added the in a Java SE. Thank you, sir.